Hello?
Hello.
Oh, okay. What is your name? Today we will discuss about multiplication with 11. Okay, the shortcut. How to multiply with 11 within 2 seconds or 5 seconds, like that. Okay. Whatever that it is, 10-digit number or 2-digit number, 5-digit number, whatever that, will multiply within seconds. Okay. Today I will teach you that one. So 23 into 11. 23 into 11. Generally, how to multiply this 23 into 11? Like 11 3s are 33, and we are writing here 3, and 11 2s are 22 plus 3 is 25. Okay. This is general method. You know this one, yes?
Yes.
But in Vedic mathematics, no need of multiplication. So we will do directly. So first of all, write 2 here. These 2 right here, and 3 also here. 3 also here. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is how much it is? 5. So that answer is 253. Here no need of multiplication. We'll get directly. 253. Okay, 2 plus 3 is 5. First 3. First number is 3. Next, 3 plus 1 is 4. And the last number is 1. So 341. If you have calculator, once you check a correct or not. Okay. Okay, 2 digit is okay. For 5 digit, 10 digit also I will tell you today only. No only. Okay, once you check correct or not. Like 54 into 11. So 5 plus 4, 9, and 4. So this is a way how to multiply with 11 without multiplication by using shortcut. Are you understood these 3 sums? These are all about 2-digit multiplications, 2-digit only. So now I will give you some problems. Look at fourth one, like 12 into 11. Once you try this one, same apply same method. Like 26 into 11, 132. Yes, okay. Fifth one, next problem. Try this. 71 into 11. 71 into 11. No need of multiplication, write directly, just. Okay, now I will write problems, tell me directly answers, okay? Wait, I will give you time, okay? I will check how many minutes you are writing. Time, okay, start now. Tell me answers. No need pen and paper. Just you can see the problem and tell me answer, that's all. Look at this problem. 61 is there no first. So first number is 6. Next one is 7. Next one is 1. Okay, like that. So 671. Okay, now don't use pen and paper. Just tell me what is the answer. So first number is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. And the last one is 1. Very simple. First number is 6. 6 plus 1 7. And last one is 1. It is visible now? Total board. Yes, it is visible only. Yes. All sums are there now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sums are there. 790. Yes. See, one more students are joined. Wait, 1 minute. Once again, I will tell you. 2 more students are joined. I think. Once look at this model. 2 plus 3 is 5. So 5 3. 5 3. And 5 plus 3 is 8. Simple. 5 plus 3 is 8. So 1 plus 8 is 9. So without multiplication, we are doing sums.
891.
Okay, next.
374.
Some two more students are joined. Are you understood this concept? Do you want again explanation? I will tell you, no problem. because already I am started at 4:35. Hello. If you want any explanation regarding this, once ask me. I will tell you again. No problem. Okay. So this is the multiplication with 11, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit, like any number of digits you can multiply within 5 seconds, maximum of 5 seconds you can multiply. Easy to 100 digit also you can write directly answers. Just write first digit and write last digit, and middle number is sum of the digits, that's all. Once I write all these problems, we'll go for next 3 digit numbers. They are all 2 digit only. Next we'll go for 3 digit. Here 300, 243 into 11. 3 digits are here. Write 2 first. Same thing. Right, first one is 2 only. Next, 2 plus 4. So just add these 2 digits. 2 plus 4 is how much? 6. 4 plus 3. Next, these 2. 4 plus 3. 7. And write the last digit here again. So 2673. Very easy multiplication. 2 plus 4 is 6. 4 plus 3 is 7. These two are ending digits, n digits. These two are same one. Okay. Those two same. One plus 4 is 5. 4. So 1584. Try these sums. Next, try these problems, same method, and ask me if you have any doubt. Apply same method and try that sums. Are you understood this method? Anybody have doubt?
So the first question is 2376.
Yes, 2376. Okay, next. Okay, do next one also, all problems. And one more student is there, he is not responding. Hello, are you listening?
Is
4884.
Yes, okay, next.
1991.
Okay, very good, nice. What is your name? So you understood this model, okay. Kushi, are you completed? Next we will go for a 4-digit multiplication. And in this shortcut we have 2 methods are there actually. Okay, this is first one. 2 types are there. This is first type. Okay, these are very easy. in first type, 2 digit, 3 digit, 5 digit, like all are there. Like second model also, second type also, same process. Process is same, but some just difference is there, small difference. 4 digit model, like 1, 2, 3, 4 into 11. So 1234 into 11, apply same process again. 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 3, 5, 3 plus 4, 7, and 4. This is the answer. So at least 1234 into 11, it takes at least 5 seconds, generally 5 to 10 seconds. But within 2-3 seconds, we will write directly. Very simple, na? 1, 3, 5, 7, 4 is that, sir. So 9 plus 0 is 9 only again. 9 plus 0, 9. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 2 is 3 and 2. So sometimes they will give you zeros also. To confuse, like suppose 1003 into 11. So 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 3 is 3 and 3. So 11,033. 33 sums. Now try these ones. Tell me. Tell me.
1 3 3 2 1.
Okay.
1 5 5 5 4.
What about 4 digit? Like similarly 5 digit, 6 digit, 10 digit also. I will give you one problem. Once you try. No need to explain remaining. Once both of you try this problem. Into 11. So it is 7 digit number actually. Okay, 7 digit. And one more problem I am giving. Try this one also. It is 10 digit number. Okay, try these two sums. Same process, apply same process. After that, I will tell you type 2 also, because that also you should know. Anyone completed 9th problem? Trying? 4, 4, 1, yes, correct. Okay, starting now, no, something, okay, no problem. So you understood about this process. Process is important. If you know, you can do any number. You can take your own numbers like 2 digit, 3 digit, 5 digit, 6 digit and multiply with 11. Apply same process, okay? Now type 2. Look at type 2. What is type 2 multiplication? So what is the difference? First of all, 2, okay. 2 plus 7 is 9, okay. But 7 plus 8 is how much here? 7 plus 8 is 15. So for this we got now 15. So this 2-digit number we have to write like this. 15 we have to write like this. 2-digit. And last one is 8. Nine plus 1 is 10 and reduce 3. So this is the process. This is type 2 because in this case we will get a 2-digit numbers. So the 2-digit numbers we have to write like this. Write this down. Next, one more problem. 928, suppose 928 into 11. Here it is not possible. Wait, look here. 928 into 11. 9. It is 11. So 11 means we have to write like this. 11. It is 10. 10 means again we have to write like this. And 8. So 8, 0, 2, 10. Okay. This is the process. Are you understood? Once do without seeing these two problems again. Once you practice without seeing these two sums. If we got 2-digit numbers, the 2 digits we have to write like crossly. Okay. After then only general additions only. Yes. Anybody have doubt? Okay, then I will give you one problem. Try this. 128 into 11. 128 into 11. Try this sum. 128 into 11. Or tell me answer. One. Tell me again.
1, 4, 4.
Okay, see here. So 128 into 11 means that is first is 1, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 8 is 10 and 8. So 1408. Okay. Now try one more. 5, 4, 8, 9. Suppose 4 digit. We'll try 4 digit. Try 4 digit numbers. Same process. So first is 5. And next is 9. And next is 12. So 12 is like this. And next is 17. So 17 is also like this. The last one is 9. 9, 7, 3, 10, 6. So 60,379.
నాకేమో అతను వేరే పిజ్జా షాప్ లో పనిచేస్తే మాకేమో అనిపిస్తుంది ప్రతి
Completed?
Yes.
Okay. So how is the class? Are you understood? Today's shortcut? Multiplication with 11, type 1 and type 2. First one is a direct method. Second one is, are you understood both types? Any confusion or any doubt in that? Okay, thank you. Your demo class is completed. Okay. You are from which state?
No, sir.
Okay.
Bye.